hemogram, or it is also called as CBC test, that is complete blood count. Now this is a general investigation a doctor prescribes even in a healthy individual or even if a person suffers from any kind of illness. Now when somebody goes and does the hemogram for himself, then it gives a general health picture of that individual. What it gives clue is to understand whether the person suffers from any kind of anemia, any kind of infection, or if a person has any kind of bleeding tendency. Now if an individual is already suffering from some kind of infection and undertaking treatment for the same, and in this particular individual, if the doctor advises for an hemogram, then this particular hemogram helps us to understand whether the treatment which the patient undergoes is correct and leading a patient to become an healthy individual. Now apart from this, if a person suffers from any kind of cancers or any kind of disease for which he undergoes chemotherapy or even radiation. Now in this type of patients, doctor routinely advises for a complete hemogram. Now in this particular patient, a hemogram gives us a complete picture of changes happening in the blood cells because of radiation or because of chemotherapy. There are multiple parameters. The first and foremost is WBC count or white blood cells count. Now this particular counts gives us a complete number of WBCs or the fighter cells present in blood. There are number of other counts like neutrophils, eosinophils, monocytes, basophils. Now these are different types of WBCs, and the count of these different types of WBCs will be reflected in an hemogram. Platelet count is very essential number which gives us a total number of platelets which are present in our blood. Now platelets are very essential factor for the clotting of blood, and also it helps in defense of the blood mechanism. Apart from this, there is an red blood cell count or RBC count. This gives a total number of red blood cells present in blood. While hemoglobin, or which is also called as an oxygen carrying protein present in our blood, gives us a total number of hemoglobin protein present in our blood. That gives us a clue whether the person suffers from anemia or he is not suffering from any kind of diseases.